Hey, good morning, Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. We're focusing on Friday for a wet snow situation, and it is going to be that high water content wet snow. Now, this is the European model showing what will be wet snow versus rain, and this is a warm front that's going to push in and basically set up approximately right around here. This will take a kind of a southwest to northeast push here, and you can see where the heavier snow. This is valid between 12Z and 18Z. So the snow accumulation is really going to be in the Barry Montpelier area, a little bit to the north, and this would be the area probably with the best chances to see any kind of issues in terms of utilities. Again, this is valid at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see what happens is the warm front pushes north, and we get into some rain. Now, the good news also, if we go back to watch the evolution of this, as this slightly heavier snowfall, we'll call it moderate snowfall, gets into the region, temperatures look like they're going to be relatively warm. We're talking basically 30, 31 degrees here. This is valid uh, roughly up to about 18Z or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But what ends up happening is the kind of the saving grace here is that temperatures make a run to about 33 Montpelier. To the north, that would be a little bit more problematic. And then you can see they continue to warm a little bit as we head toward about 2 o'clock in the morning. So where that front sets up, and we can see it using precipitation types, uh, this particular area here. So the area of snow that had fallen now has switched to rain, probably off the trees at this point. And the other issue, it looks like total precipitation at this point, really when it's falling at its heaviest, stays under a half inch. So looking at this total precipitation, we're still looking at about 4/10 of an inch, and that is a saving grace. But it is going to be close call, and I would say these areas are vulnerable, especially in our local higher terrain. So wet snow accumulation for travel, it's going to be problematic at some point, but temperatures what they are and the high March sun is also going to be working in our favor. What falls later on at night is looking at fairly light precipitation, and just to show you that in terms of what comes down here as far as snowfall, we kind of only eke out around an inch or so. And then what ends up happening eventually is the front gets pushed south during the morning hours on Saturday, and it's out of here. But Friday is going to be our concern. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.